Bollywood's current top actress Kangana Ranaut was recently seen at the launch of Anupama Chopra's new book, The Front Row. The national award-winning heroine took the opportunity to address her anger with the media, and this is what she had to say.
Yeah, but you can manipulate perception of people because everyone is not, sort of molded to think that way. What they watch on TV or they read, they tend to make their opinions based on that because
they believe it.
Yeah, because and why I stopped reading paper, which is very harmful, and watching TV is because they don't tell you news, they tell you perception, what you should be thinking about this news, which is wrong because you're feeding my brain. Like, I'm not allowed to make a perception of this particular event or this particular piece of news or action taken by government or some rape case that happened there. You're telling me what I should be thinking and what is actually happening, because you should only give me the news and then I will think what is happening, So this is also the difference between actually the reporting and actually trying to form the perception of people.
So you don't read papers at all?
That was supposed to be a secret.
Do you read your
Now you will call me on your show and ask me who's the president of India and I'll be like,
No, but Kangana, do you read your own interviews? Do you see your own press? Not at all. Really?
No.
You don't want to know what they're saying?
No, because I'm like, oh, I didn't mean that. Now I'm disturbed. No, like I said, I don't know, I just keep to myself because there's no point anyway, because you just, you just want to allow that much to happen on its own. And I think it just makes people controlling, that I want to control everything, what people are thinking about me, I want to control that. What people are writing about me, I should know and it should have happened or would have happened. And when you are in a place, like as insecure as an acting job, you tend to be so controlling and annoying. That is what I've learned from my seniors. So don't be like them. Don't read paper. Don't see your interview. Don't worship yourself, So just let it be.
Looks like the actress has been storing up quite a lot of resentment towards the media. But Kangana, now that you're the Bollywood queen, आपको इन सब media intrusions की आदत तो डालनी पड़ेगी. For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.